Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy again, Evolve 180. Trying to come back at y'all, trying to get this word out, trying to get this platform started. If y'all didn't view my first video, you know what I spoke about. Basically that's what I'm trying to keep it on, the elevation of my people, the black people, of course. There's many things I could speak on: religion, politics, worldly views, in-house views, but I want to keep this going, so I'm gonna save content for later dates or whatever. But today, I just wanted to speak on, more of the reason why I'm trying to put myself out there. I see myself as a voice, or I have a voice that I believe, that I trust needs to be heard, deserve to be heard. I think I got something to say. I'm not a scholar. I'm educated a little bit. I know a few things, but I'm not on a scholarly level as of yet. But I will get there. You learn something new every day. Anyway, what I wanted to speak on today was, family business. Keeping it right with the family. You have a family. And to all those fathers out there, have a belated Father's Day. You playing part being a father. And there for the little young ones, enjoy that. I got my young one in the house, about to be 2, got a 12-year-old stepdaughter. They both amazing. And that's what it's about. Anyway, it's about the, it's about the in-house stuff. That's where it begins, that's where it starts. If your house is right, then I think everything else will be right as far as you make it. But it's still stuff that goes on that's out of your control. It's fucked up shit, but it's something to talk about later. But anyway, as far as keeping the house right, happy, satisfied. That starts off with the wife. I got a good one. She's in my corner. She stuck by me, through the terrible times. We done been through some shit. As most relationships, real relationships, go through, is average. But you need that strong backing. Dudes out there know what I'm talking about. You need that backbone. She like a 4th, 5th sight. She completes me. I did some bullshit in the past, but that's behind me now. She's a good woman. She stuck through all that bullshit, and she's still here. I'm gonna marry this girl eventually, hopefully soon. But what I've come to realize, I'm 51, and what I've come to realize is that, through all the bullshit you might put a female through, or your significant other, if she comes to the realization, or she comes to the conclusion, or even if she decides that she want to put herself through that turmoil, through that hardship, and still remain true, loyal, holding you down to the fullest, she the one. And that's what moms do. And I appreciate that shit. I really do. And I'm trying to get her on the same page as I'm on. She on there somewhat. Still some work to be done, but she almost there. I need that strong queen in my corner. But like I said, she almost there. She'll get there. She will get there. I'm trying to get there. Well, I'm getting there. So of course she will get there. But to keep her happy, I do what I must. I do whatever needs to be done. I'll get it done. And I'm coming to the fact that I do that because my mission in this life and what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna need her. I can't do this by myself. I'm gonna need her first. I'm getting myself right now. It's in the process, it's a process, a learning experience, and it takes patience. And at the same time, I'm trying to keep her up to par with where I'm at. But so we can get there together. But once we do, I mean, then I figure my movement will run a lot smoother. I would be able to get my point across more. And I would need her. Her, my children, my whole household. Which is what this is about. I mean, your household. And I would do whatever it takes. I mean, I don't want to make this video about, oh, he professing his love towards her. I mean, she already know. I mean, she's going to see this. I mean, because she's trying to help me launch, my movement. Trying to help me launch my platform. She behind me 100. So, but I don't want to make this about her. I mean, I'm trying to make it to the point where, though, what I'm going to need or what's going to be needed for this movement to be empowered. I mean, it's going to take family instances and, family unity, family grips, family tight. I mean, it starts at home before it can get spread out into the world. That's my point. That's the point I'm trying to get across. And, this is only my second video. As time goes on, right now I'm in the process of trying to get comfortable recording, trying to get comfortable, putting my voice out there, my face, eventually my family. It's a process. I've been watching YouTube videos on, starting a page, getting subscribers, getting followers, getting, comments, all that stuff. I'm doing research. And sooner or later, my videos will get better in time, I get my equipment up, all that. So it's going to get better. This, like I said, it's only my second. So with that, I don't want to keep my videos long, dragged on, boring. Because videos can't get boring. My voice is kind of boring. But like I said, in due time, all that's going to change. Because you will get to know me. You're going to keep putting my voice out there, keep putting my face out there, keep putting my format out there, keep putting my message out there. So until the next, it'll get better. Peace and love to the people, my peoples. And like I said, to the next, peace.